Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to create connections in Informatica Cloud. So to create connections in Informatica Cloud, we are using two services. One is administrator service, another one is data integration service. By using these two services, we can create connections in cloud. So now go to Informatica Cloud. So once you log in, first it will open this particular page, right? So first go to administrator service. Here we can able to create connections. So now let's wait for some time still this particular service is loading. So then click on connections option. So once you click on this connections option, here we have add connection option. Click on this add connection option. So here we have all these connections information plugins available. If you see here cloud integration plugin, FTP, SFTP plugin, flat file plugins. So each and every thing we are connected through these particular plugins. So first I need Oracle database connection. So that's why I choose this particular plugin. Okay, select this particular plugin, click on next. Now provide this connection name. So let's suppose I will provide this connection name as source. So then select runtime environment. Then go to here. You don't change these two options. Go as it is. Then provide username. Actually, I'm connecting to this particular schema. So that's why I provide this particular username. Okay. So for this one, I provide username as dev src. Then provide password. Then localhost information, we need port and service names. So for this one, select this one, right click, go to properties. Here we have all these host name, port information and service id information. So here host name is nothing but a local host. Copy that one, paste here. Port number is as it is 1521. Provide service name. So here service name is nothing but this one, small xe. So provide that particular information here. Okay, then click on test option. So and also it asking for code page. So I choose here as Windows Latin by default option. I will tell you later what exactly important of this code page. Right now you can choose this option blindly. After that click on test option. Now it start loading. After that we are receiving one kind of message here. Okay, see this test for this connection was successful. It means so based on this information, our Informatica Cloud connected to this particular database. Okay, and whatever tables exist in this particular database, all these particular tables we can access in the cloud. Okay, so now click on save option. So here this source connection and connection type is Oracle. So all this secure agent information and service URL information, all this particular information available under this connection option. So this is one way. So if you want to create flat file connection, same option. Click on add connection. Go to this option flat file. Once select, click on next. Then provide connection name. I will provide connection name as flat file source. Then select runtime environment. So we need to provide directory where exactly your file is located. We can provide that particular path here. In my case, my files is located C drive, ISS files folder, source file folder. Inside this source file folder, I have all these source files. So I copy this particular path and paste here. Then choose code paste as it is by default. Okay. After that, click on test. So it's load for some time. After that we are receiving this particular option. It means So whatever files present inside this particular path, we can successfully access that particular files. After that, click on save. Now we have flat file connection and Oracle database connections. So this way we can create database and flat file connections in Informatica Cloud. So in next lecture, I will show you one mapping, okay, by using these two connections. Okay, I will explain all the data loading steps one by one so that you can easily understand all this cloud UI interface. Okay, so later I will explain one by one transformation, then you clearly understand all these ETL flows properly in Informatica Cloud. So if you have any queries, please post your queries into question and answer sections. I will provide update on those particular questions. So that's it guys. Thank you.